this would be a very short lesson. But it's really important because it highlights some of the differences that Go has with other languages, such as Java. Okay, so we're here in VS Code. Let's create the file. Go36.go. Then let's create the package for it. And we're going to import format, which help us print things to the screen. We're going to create a class to contain the lesson that we're going to learn today. Not a class, but a function. Let's name it variables. That's not what I want. So we're going to first create a variable called age and assign the number 25. Now, in most other languages, usually when you create a variable, you declare the type. With Go, you don't necessarily have to do that, because what Go does is it looks at the value that you assign to the variable and determines that the variable is of type numbers. So in this case, 25. So age is it's assumed to be an integer by Go. So now let's create another variable. It will be greeting. And this time we're going to explicitly tell Go that it is a string type. So this is the second way to do it. Let's say it would be hello. Then we're going to put a name or concatenate name variable to it. And it will be coming from a value that will be passed to this function. Let's say the name here, and it will be type string. And once that is passed, then this variable greeting will receive that value. So now we're going to print it, do format printf. Going to use printf because we're going to do some formatting inside these parentheses, specifically S. S is for printing a string. Then versus UR. And then %B is for decimal. Years old. Then here we're going to pass the printf method, two variables that we needed print inside, which is greeting and age. The age. So now we're going to test this function. So we need to create the main function. And then we're going to pass, okay, that's good. We can use Alice. So we're explicitly calling the function, and we're going to pass the word Alice or string Alice to it. So we call this, and it goes here and pass Alice to the name string, and that name will go to construct this greeting string. So this will become hello, Alice. So once that is done, when it tries to print it to the screen, this whole output would be %s, which is greeting. So it'll be hello Alice, you are, and then the value of this decibel, which is age, 25. So hello Alice, you are 25 years old. So let's go ahead and save this. Then let's go run, or again, you can use any terminal you want. At this time, I'm just using the terminal inside VS Code. I think this is PowerShell. You can use either command line or bash. You just need to navigate to the directory where you saved this file. And then you can type go, run, go basic. Then press return, and it should say, hello, Alice, you're 25 years old. Okay, that's good. And then also, again, you can compile it if you want. So you could say go build, go basics.go. And then if you ls, or do there this time, and you should see the executable over there. And that's it for this lesson. We're going to go deeper in the next one. That's it. Have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.